Hello viewers, you are watching Astro Planet Forecast and today we are going to talk about Taurus, especially the powerful time between April 6th and April 10th, 2020. These few days may bring unexpected opportunities, surprising change and some important life discussion for Taurus individual. If you belong to the sign of Taurus, this period might feel very difficult from your usual routine. The moment of the star suggests that your destiny could be standing at the turning point. From here, your hard work, your decision, and your confidence can guide you toward a completely new direction in life. During this day, you may feel a strange but powerful motivation building inside you, almost as if the universe itself is pushing you forward. If you have been facing stress, obstacles, or emotional pressure lately, you might slowly begin to notice a shift in your circumstances. Gradually, things may start improving, and a new sense of hope could be shining in your heart. Between April 6th and April 7th, the energy around your career and financial matters look particularly important. There is a strong possibility that you might receive news you have been waiting for. For some Taurus individuals, this could appear as a new job opportunity or promotion or success in an important project. If you are involved in business, the stars indicate that a valuable opportunity may appear during this time, one that could lead to long-term growth and stability. However, there is a very important thing to remember. Avoid rushing into decisions. The doors of success may be opening, but stepping through them require wisdom, patience, and careful planning. If you make the right move, this period could become the foundation for your future financial stability. Around April 8th, your personal relationship and emotional connection may deepen. If you are in love, this time could strengthen your bond in meaningful ways. A heartfelt conversation, an honest confession, or a special moment might bring you and your partner closer than before. For those who are married, this period carries the energy of emotional warmth, understanding. However, the stars also offers a small piece of advice. Stars individuals are also known for being strong-willed or sometimes a little stubborn during this time. Letting go of pride and showing a bit of flexibility can actually create beautiful harmony in your relationship. April 9th may become a day of inner strength and renewed confidence. You might feel a fresh wave of energy rising within you. Tasks that once made you hesitate may suddenly seem possible. This is the perfect moment to think seriously about your dreams and long-term goals. If you have been considering starting a new project, focusing on education, or working on personal growth, this is very sportive time to lay the foundation. The universe seems to be sending your message. If you take a brave step forward now, the coming months may bring results beyond your expectations. By the time we reach April 10th, things may start becoming clearer. Those who are feeling confused or uncertain might begin to see their path unclearly. Financial matters could also start improving. A delayed task might finally get complete, or a new opportunity could appear that helps secure for your future. However, throughout this entire period, there is one important reminder from the start: choose the people around you well. Not every smiling face carries sincere intentions. Be careful about sharing your secrets, plans, or ambition. Trust only those who have truly proven their loyalty and honesty. Overall, the period of April 6th to April 10th, 2026 may become a significant phase for Taurus individuals. It's a moment where destiny, effort, and opportunity could come together to create a new chapter in your life. If you maintain a positive mindset, listen to your inner voice, and make thoughtful decisions instead of rushing these days, could guide you towards success, stability, and inner peace that you have been waiting for. Always remember, the stars can show the path, but walking on that path is your choice. Move forward with confidence because the signs from the universe suggest that new doors of possibility may soon open for you. If you enjoyed this star's prediction and want to keep discovering more powerful and surprising astrological insight, make sure to hit that like button right now. Also, drop your thoughts in a comment below and let us know what you think about this prediction. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can also benefit for this powerful insights about the day ahead. And if you want to receive daily and weekly prediction of all zodiac signs, make sure you subscribe to our channel Step Planning Podcast and press the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. I'll see you in another powerful astrology video. Until then, take care of yourself and always remember, the star always have a secret to reveal.